Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel, and today in this video we're going to see part 2 of quality assurance interview questions. So if you're visiting our channel for the very first time and want to prepare for pharmaceutical interviews like this through YouTube videos, you can subscribe to Pharma Job Alert, and in our channel we're also providing daily job updates. So coming to the first question, what is the content of an SOP? So SOP means standard operating procedure, and in the previous series part 1 I have said what is an SOP. So here are the contents of the SOP. So SOP contains the objective or purpose or aim, scope, the responsibility, the procedures, precautions, annexes, and the abbreviations, references, and revision history. So these are the contents of an SOP. So the next question is, how are stability studies conducted? So stability studies are conducted for and essential for the development of pharmaceutical products. They evaluate the influence of the external environmental or factors like light, temperature, humidity on the active pharmaceutical ingredient or drug products. So to ensure the safety and efficacy over the time. So this is why stability studies are conducted. Expand BMR and BPR. My dear friends, BMR means batch manufacturing record. So it is a written document prepared during the manufacturing of a product recording the step-by-step manufacturing process. And BPR means batch packing record. So it is used during packing. So it includes all the packing activity. So all the activities related to packing are recorded in BPR, and all the activities related to granulation, compression, coating or and inspection are recorded in BMR. And next, so what is the difference between validation and calibration? So my dear friends, so there is a big difference between validation and calibration. If you don't know, by now you can know. So validation means we are proving and providing a documented evidence that the specific method or the method you follow or process produce a product which meets the predetermined requirements and quality attributes. It is performed according to a validation protocol. So validation is nothing but a documented evidence to show a process consistently meets the predetermined requirements and quality attributes. So what is calibration? So calibration ensures that the equipment produces values within the limits by comparing the values to those of standard. So calibration is conducted according to calibration SOP. Suppose, for example, you are calibrating it performing a daily calibration of a balance where you keep, suppose if your balance calibration weights are 50 grams and 100, 50 mg and 100 grams. So when you keep 50 mg on the balance, so if it shows the same value and suppose, of course, there might be a minute different tolerance will be there, plus or minus 2 mg. So if it is within the limit, then the balance is so you can ensure that the balance produce as results within the specified limits within the tolerance limit. So this is calibration. So next is, what is change request? And in the previous series we have learned about change control process. So what is change control, why change control is taken? So in this video you are going to see the question, what is change request? So it is a part of change control which manages the implementation of changes within the control system. So change control ensures that any modification to the validated system are managed properly to demonstrate to the regulatory authorities that the system remains under control after the change. So these are change controls are frequent focus of regulatory authorities. That's why we are stressing that question. So you may be asked in the interview. So next, what is 21 CFR Part 11? So, my dear friends, 21 CFR Part 11 is Code of Federal Regulations. So, it establishes the FND, Food and Drug Administration guidelines on electronic records and electronic signatures in the United States. So, 21 CFR Part 11 is related to electronic records and electronic signature guidelines. Name any 5 countries with their regulatory authorities. So, India is Central Drug Standards Control Organization. Japan, it is Ministry of Health, Labor and Family Welfare. It is PMDA actually. So, and Australia is TGA, Therapeutic Goods Administration. UK means Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA. And India is Central Drug Standards Control Organization. USA, United States Food and Drug Administration, US FDA. and Japan it is PMDA. So these are some of the basic interview questions, my dear friends. So if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe and follow us for regular job related interview preparations like this. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. Please hit the like button and share this valuable information with your friends. Thank you.